So yeah, this is my first time making vlog on my journey. I mean मैं यूजुअली बनाती हूँ बट शॉर्ट्स बनाती हूँ जस्ट रैंडमली डालने के लिए टाइम पास. मतलब अभी इसीलिए बना रही हूँ आई मीन कि वीडियोस बिकॉज इट्स अ लॉन्ग जर्नी. आई मीन मैं यूजुअली डायरेक्ट ईटानगर टू पुणे जाती हूँ. इसीलिए जाती हूँ बिकॉज आई नेवर वांटेड टू ट्रैवल थ्रू ट्रेन अलोन इसीलिए. बट दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रैवलिंग अलोन इन ट्रेन. मतलब कभी अकेली ट्रेन में गया नहीं है. मतलब मोस्ट यूजुअली तो जाती हूँ थ्रू प्लेन नो बट नॉट थ्रू ट्रेन. सो दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम. इसलिए सोचा कि वीडियो बनाऊँ और खुद को एक्कम्पनी कर लूँ टाइम पास ऐसे रैंडमली बनाकर. सो माई ट्रेन इज़ नाउ फ्रॉम Naharlagun to Guwahati, and then from tomorrow morning I'll reach Guwahati by around 5:50 a.m. I guess, and then my flight is around I guess 6 p.m. Yeah, 6 p.m. So basically my flight is Guwahati से दिल्ली, दिल्ली से पुणे, पुणे से सावंतवाडी. सावंतवाडी is like महाराष्ट्र का एंडिंग पार्ट. इट्स बेसिकली गोवा के सामने में. सो या मेरा कॉलेज वहाँ पे बहुत दूर, बहुत बहुत दूर. आई डोंट नो, मुझे आइडिया नहीं कि मुझे कॉलेज वहाँ कैसे मिला इतना नीट का काउंसलिंग करके. आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट रैंडमली पुट ऑल द स्टेट बट मिला तो मिला, इतना दूर मिला. आई डोंट नो. सी यू व्हाइल ट्रैवलिंग. Basically, my journey will start from 7:30. Now I'm at home. You know, as you can see, I'm packaging my bag. It's so sad. But you know, I'm stronger. I'm very strong. I guess people who have been following me, they know me. I guess I have been very stronger, right? Since the day one.
बाय बाय. बंदर वातु यूपी रेलवे स्टेशन जा रहा है अभी.
That's my brothers. They seeing me off. So ये है हमारा रेलवे स्टेशन. So this is the reason I hate train because बहुत पॉपुलर, सेफ्टी भी नहीं है. देखो देखो कुत्ता को देखो, हग रहे हैं यार. शी यार, शर्म नहीं. First time I'm traveling through train, you know. हम बहुत दुखी है. My brothers making vlog, YouTube vlog. So finally a few more distance and then Guwahati, Assam. Guwahati airport, no? Guwahati railway station. Go to right. So basically, this is the hotel I'm going to stay in. Travel hotel. This is the hotel where I'm gonna be staying for a few hours before my flight takeoff. So it is near Paltan Bazaar. I mean, koi nahi hai, I guess everyone is sleeping. Haha. Yeah, it's good, but let's see bedroom kaisa hota hai. Reception ko to baat kiya, but I can't see anyone here at this point.
बहुत गर्मी है बाबा. I'm sweating, literally sweating. So I'm waiting patiently with my trolley. I don't know.
This reception is taking so late. इतना कौन सोता है, इतना कौन सोते हैं? When they know कि travelers gonna come and stay here, why are they taking so late? Even I'm so tired and they're making me so pissed off at this point, you know. I arrived here around 7 a.m. and now it's 7:30. I mean, because pura andhera hai room, there's no one, and I'm waiting. But yeah, traveling alone makes you much more stronger, I guess, and independent. Yeah, because I have been traveling since past 5 years. Yeah, जब से मैंने बाहर से पढ़ाई किया तब से I have been traveling alone. And it did make me stronger and wiser, yes. So, this is the place where I'm gonna be staying for a few hours. I mean, actually a dormitory, so yeah. I guess it's for 3 people, but I'm gonna stay here all alone. It literally feels like I'm in hostel only, because this is literally hostel. There's no light. There's no light in Assam currently. Thank God that I bought power bank with me. Haha. Finally, I finally got pressure off and I'm here in my room. I mean, and I'm so happy that I reached safely. At first I was so afraid, like how am I supposed to handle all of this, like because I don't know anyone here, no, so that's why I thought, how am I supposed to handle if I reach by early in the morning, where am I supposed to go? How am I supposed to book the hotel? How am I gonna have conversation with the manager? Like all of that thinking made me more anxious. But here I am, and I'm so proud of myself for that. You know, yeah. Traveling alone just makes you more stronger and independent. Yeah, it's like hyper independent. And you become more and more stronger, and you can travel anywhere alone like I do. I mean, I have been traveling alone past since 5 years, since the day I got admission in outer state. I mean, at first you feel so scared, like will I be able to do this, will I be able to do that, but at the end आप कर सकोगे, like I do. And there are lots of solo travelers and female students who travel all alone, not even from state, they travel to country all alone. Travel alone as much as you can. It will make you more stronger. You don't have to depend on anyone else. Hostel, like for travelers, you know, as you can see, it's double bed per deck, and here is one bed. Yeah, thank God light bhi aa gaye, and I'm so happy because it's been so many hours light didn't come, and finally light is here, and I'm so happy.
क्या है ये सुनापन आहा, मुझे तुम बता दो कोई तो वजह दो आहा।
Dignan. Hey. Actually, I woke up just now because I was sleeping the whole time. So I slept for around 6 hours. सुबह 8 बजे को सोई थी and woke up just now. So basically अभी 3 PM हो गए. So basically the funny thing here is I know it might not sound funny for you people, but it do sounds funny for me because before I arrive here in Guwahati, I had a tiny plan like once I reach the Guwahati city, I'll check into my hotel, have breakfast, take a nap for a few hours, and then I'll explore Guwahati city before heading towards the airport. But now that I'm here in the hotel, I'm feeling so lazy and I'm feeling more comfortable here in this tiny room. Sometimes I do get very lazy because sometimes I chose exploring over napping and sometimes napping over exploring. 3 PM हो गए, so now it's time for me to head towards the airport. Yeah, so इसीलिए मैं रेडी हो रही हूँ, अपने सामान को पैक कर रही हूँ. So yeah, so सुबह को भी येलो टी शर्ट पहनी थी and even now I changed it to yellow kurti because it feels more comfortable. So I'll be wearing this for the airport. Follow me to my journey. Mask is compulsory because I hate going out without mask. At this point, I literally feel myself like an old lady who is traveling from one country to another country. I mean, I can do everything alone. That's the power of me. Ta-ta! So this is my final goodbye to the dormitory I stayed for a few hours. Thank God I was alone. कोई नहीं आया because if there were few more people, I would have been feel uncomfortable because I love being alone more, I guess. So yeah, I enjoyed my alone time and I literally slept so peacefully. So it's time for me to head towards the airport. मैंने उबर बुक कर ली. So heading towards the
Airport by auto.
For takeoff, keeping the aisle clear will help us depart quickly. Please ensure your seatbelt.
Basically, I am now at Delhi airport. इसके बाद my next flight is on 4:45 AM in the morning. So अभी तो बहुत समय है, बहुत ज़्यादा समय. So I'm just loitering around. It's been a long journey. So अब होगा Delhi to Pune flight. It's so cold here at the airport. So इसीलिए मैंने सोलू रहा. सच में it's very cold. And I'm alone. So there's no one. As you can see. At this point, I'm literally so disappointed of myself. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने होटल में अपनी पावर बैंक प्लस आईफोन का केबल भूल गई. I mean, कौन इतना इरिस्पॉन्सिबल हो सकती है बाबा. और वो पावर बैंक भी कल ही मैंने लिया था. न्यू, ब्रांड न्यू. I mean, too disappointing. इसीलिए now I don't have any other cable to charge my phone. खाली एयरपोर्ट है. So this is the sum. I mean, as you can see, 12 बज गए. And I'm literally feeling too sleepy. यार जर्नी ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहे. So now my flight is from Pune to Sindhudurg, where my college is located. थक गई हूँ मैं, बहुत थक गई हूँ मैं जाते जाते. आई एम सो टायर्ड. फाइनली सिंधुदुर्ग एयरपोर्ट पहुँच गए हम.
Finally back to my room. Haha, पूरा very messy.
वेरी हॉट इन महाराष्ट्र. बहुत गर्मी है यहाँ पे. और हमारे हॉस्टल में तो पानी भी नहीं आ रहे. आई मीन सारा मूड ख़राब. हॉस्टल आते ही सोचा कि नहाऊंगी, फ्रेश अप करूंगी, फिर थोड़ा सो जाऊंगी. बट इट्स सो एनोइंग. एज यू कैन सी, पूरा पसीना पसीना. फिर 3 बजे को मुझे एग्ज़ाम देने जाना है. सो आज हमारे एग्ज़ाम है. आई मीन पीरियडिक एग्ज़ाम. व्हाट द जर्नी. वाओ. आते ही एग्ज़ाम. सीधा एग्ज़ाम